2009 GMC Sierra 1500 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it, we kept it single for you guys this time. It's got factory converters there, and right there. Third damn dreaded cat everybody hates, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It's okay. 2.5-inch pipe. Then we added a 3-inch pipe to it. Added a vibrant muffler, bottle style muffler, resonator, whatever you want to call it. VIB 1794, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Look at that shiny, beautiful little thing. If you want it, there'll be a link in the description. Then it's got a 3-inch tailpipe out the back. There's the stock muffler. We're gonna kick and hopefully it'll stop rolling. Stop. Stop. It's still going. It's still going. It's still going. Thank you. And then a double wall stainless steel tip 4-inch right there. There you go. As you guys can see, just to complete the look, make it look pretty and nice. Anyways, there'll be a link in the description for that also. And there's the vibrant. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. And it's snowing. Look at that in Nashville. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera. Barely anything. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Vibrant bottle style resonator or muffler. 4-inch tip. Again, sound decibels. Again, right at 101. Not bad at all. Go ahead and back it out. That sounds so good. Vibrant exhaust. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. GMC Sierra